Friends, how are you? I hope you are good and safe at home. I am history teacher from Rajiv Gandhi English Primary and High School. So student, today we are going to learn new lesson. Lesson name is Let us solve our own problem. Okay, open the page number 32. See. What problem can you identify from the following picture, students? The first picture is what? The girl is telling, my area gets water only thrice a week. Okay. Second picture, the boy is telling, the garbage has piled up. I have to walk to school with my nose covered. Okay. And third one, the girl is telling, I feel like riding my bicycle to school every day, but there is no bicycle track. Okay. Last one is, the boy is telling, my father has to visit the taluka place every day for some dispute over the land. Okay. Now, we come to the main point. So, student, in this chapter, there are 4 main points. First main point is issue in civics life. Second is solving disputes. Third is problem solving. And last is cleaning a village through Sharmadhan. Okay. Now we come to the first main point, issue in civics life. So, what are the meanings of civics life, definitions of civics life? We see the problem faced by people in cities and village can be called problems or issue in civics life. The definition of civics life is what? The problem faced by people in village and cities, that is can be called problem of issue in civics life. It is important to be able to identify such issues. One person alone cannot solve these problems. They can be solved through everyone effort and cooperate. Okay, everyone can be cooperate, then this problem will be solved. Okay, no one person has been solved these problems. Okay, in the society all the people come together and they cooperate each other and solve these problems. Okay, now we come to the second main point, solving dispute. Okay, solving dispute. Dispute means what? Can you tell me the meaning of the disputes? Very good. Dispute means what? Argument. The disputes arising over various issues in our towns and village can also be problem. Dispute arise over various issues in town and village can be also problem. Create so many problems. Disputes are create so many problems. The well-being of a village is affected by constant disputes. It leads to loss of unity and the progress of the village. Disputes can be lead of unity. Okay, disputes can be lead of unity, lose of unity and obstruct the progress of village, cities, town. Okay, so how to be solve this dispute? We solve disputes with very some discussions. Okay, talking to the people in very smoothly and very peaceful to be discussions, that is we will be solve the disputes problems. Okay, now we come to the third main points, problem solving. Okay, have you heard about this attempt at solving problems? Havere Bazar. In the village of Havere Bazar in Ahmednagar district, water shortage was a big problem. In Ahmednagar district, Some village name is what? Havere Bazar. Village name is what? Havere Bazar. In village, the shortage, the water shortage problem, a big problem in that village. So these problems was solved with the help and participations of the village people. All the village people can be participate and they solve this problem easily. The problem of animal feed was also solved. Now Havere Bazar has lush green surrounding. When in the village people Havere Bazar come together and they cooperate each other and they solve the problems of what problems? Water problems and animals feed problems. These both problems they are solved, and nowadays the Havere Bazar has lush green surrounding. Okay. Now we come to the fourth main point, cleaning a village through Sharmadhan. So the people of Khuddowadi village in Osmanabad district cleaned the village through Sharmadhan or volunteer contributions of labor. In the village of Khuddowadi nearby Osmanabad district, okay, the people of the Khuddowadi they organize some Sharmadhan. In Sharmadhan, the volunteer contributions of labor, and they decided that everyone should help in cleaning the village. First, the waste water was defilled with, and second is the garbage was used to make manure using vermiculture. Vermiculture means what? All the waste of garbage should be fertilized in the soil, in the earth. So that is what the soil is used for the plant. Okay, a toilet was built in each house, and third main is what? In the Sharmadhan organizer volunteers is the toilet should be built in each and every houses. Okay. Now the second paragraph from this cleaning of village through Sharmadhan, Sant Gadge Baba used the kirtan to stress the importance of keeping the village clean. He told the people that we cannot make progress without cleanliness, education and self-reliance. Was Sant Gadge Baba a very famous sant, and he always told the people that we cannot make progress without cleanliness, education and self-reliance. He showed people how to clean the village through his own actions. Okay, he showed the people how to clean the village through his own actions. Okay, now we come to the last paragraph. For a society to be peaceful, the basic needs of all of its section needs to be met. Each person must get the necessary security. The exploitation in society must stop. Inequality must decrease. Everyone must have the right to participate in public life by learning the importance of peace, and by using peaceful method we can create a peaceful environment in our family, school and community. So in this paragraph, in a society all the peoples come together and solve all the problems of economic in your society, and don't be increase the dispute, and everyone must have the right to participate in public life and learning the importance of peaceful environment in our family, school and our community. So student, in this chapter what we have learned, first is what? Everyone has a responsibility to solve problems in a civics life. First main point. Second is problems can be solved if everyone cooperate. Okay. And third one, dialogue discussion can be help solve disputes. Okay. Student, I hope you all are understood this chapter. Chapter name is let us solve our own problem. So students, stay healthy, take care. Please subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you. Bye.